Oh, hi guys, how you doing? I'm recording it, and as you can see, I'm here with a modded mob battle. So, as you can see, we have tons of sentry turrets lined up in trenches, along with sentry turrets everywhere inside the forest, and even on treetops, and deep inside the forests, hiding, like in secret positions. So, yeah, I had to do that in order for him to be able to lag. Always happens in one of my videos. Alright, /time set 0. Hey, I don't care if it was like middle of the day. Alright, and I'm starting it off with normal wolves. And I'm starting it off with normal wolves. But okay, I think I'm spawning them a bit too close. They're trying to take the trenches. But then we have soldiers up in our treetops and everywhere firing down upon them. They're like, oh no, we need help. We need reinforcements. So now here comes the hostile wolves at 10 health instead of 8. Please help me press the button on the T, because I really can't. Right now, I'm recording. Game. Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm so sorry. But, okay, I'll finish the war, okay? Whoa, okay. Whoa. Okay, there's the wolves, there's, little turrets. I got tea for you. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh, back to the game. So, this position is taken. This position still remains in the hands of the turrets. Let's handle that with wolves with 30 health / mist wolves with the help of hostile wolves that have 10 health. And then with also more help from normal wolves with 8 health. Here in this position. Only if there was some way to make the wolves advance by themselves. See, what I really need for these battles is a custom NPC mod. That's what I really need. And alright, I think that's enough. This position isn't going so well for the wolves. Over here, I'm pretty sure they got it. So, what we're going to do, the plan for the wolves is, what we're going to do is, once we break through this position, we're going to come around, and then we're going to go towards the left, and then we're going to come through here, up here, take out that turret down there. Come behind them, go through the flank, go up the leaf stairs, take out the enemies in the treetops. Come down upon them with parachute wolves. Oh gosh. We gotta regroup. Sorry guys. The wolves need to regroup. Oh man, not the mist wolf. Alright. That was a close attempt, but we still got it. Mist wolves. The entire front line is of mist wolves. The entire front line, mist wolves. And then they're sending in, I mean, if you guys can imagine how many mist wolves I'm going to send in, you guys know that I'm probably going to send in 3 times as many of them. Of the hostile wolves. Venomous wolves. Yep. Over here in this position, they really needed those reinforcements. Because without them, they would have lost this entire war. And well, normal wolves, well, I'm not even going to bother. Because well, you guys know how long I would be here if I just sat here spawning as many of them as it seemed realistic. Oh gosh. This entire area has been taken down. This treetop position will be the hardest position to take because we have the high ground. The high ground is always the best, right? And then we have these special ops positioned in the forest that don't look very special ops-y. And, yeah. So, this is crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Alright.
I'll see you guys with part 2, Invasion of the Tree.